was 77 degrees, the dew point 56, and the relative humidity 48%. The wind was southwest at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.19 inches and rising. Elsewhere across Ohio, temperatures were between 74 and 79 degrees. It was sunny at Burke Lakefront, Toledo, and Mansfield. At Akron-Canton Airport, Columbus, and Ashtabula, it was sunny. It was mostly sunny at Youngstown, Cincinnati, and Dayton. At Luray, it was partly sunny. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio, temperatures were between 76 and...
Here we go.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 59 listening area of Northeast Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 56, and the relative humidity 48%. The wind was southwest at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.19 inches and rising.
There you saw it there, folks. The final test of the year. I keep saying that. The final test, actually, of the summer. And I will see you guys later. And hopefully, my school year starts exactly a week from today. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. My school year starts next week, and that really sucks. Let's give you one glimpse of each radio before we go. Alright, I'm probably boring the crap out of you, so I'm gonna say goodbye and hope you enjoyed my final weekly test of the summer.